Inspections can save you thousands of dollars. There are numerous inspections that may be necessary to protect you from any unexpected costly surprises that may arise after closing, and the most frequent inspection is a home inspection. It is critical that you select a reputable home inspector and one that is registered with OAHI, the Ontario Association of Home Inspectors. It is important to note that home inspectors are not a regulated industry and anyone can advertise that they are a home inspector. So it's crucial that you select a reputable inspector. Your buyer's agent can help make recommendations for a highly regarded home inspector. A house is the single largest investment most individuals will ever make, and a home inspection will help you feel completely comfortable with your home purchase decision. Your home inspector will be extremely picky about revealing anything that could be remotely wrong with the home, but it is important to note that your main focus should be on major structural systems such as foundation, heating, electrical, plumbing, roof, windows, and grading that could result in huge future financial burdens or problems that pose a safety issue. It's truly important that you discover these deficiencies when you're still able to back out of the sale or negotiate for the seller to repair the deficiency or offer financial compensation. Your buyer's agent has experience in these types of negotiations and will make recommendations as to which option would best suit your situation. Now, if you're contemplating on buying a rural property, it is important to note that additional inspections will be needed, including a septic inspection by a qualified engineer and a well inspection. Ensure that you've allocated funding in your home buying budget for these additional expenses. Your buyer's agent has expertise in these areas and will make provisions in your agreement of purchase and sale to ensure that you have the opportunity to carry out these inspections.